I found a new YouTube channel that makes educational videos about animals. It's similar to those skeleton education videos, but with a cool twist. Let me show you exactly how to make these videos that get millions of views. Open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for the GPT model called X-ray Animal Reference and select it. Click Start Chat and type in an animal, for example, dog. You'll get 4 text-to-image prompts back. Copy one of those text-to-image prompts and head over to OpenArt. Go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Select the model Nano Banana Pro. Paste in your text-to-image prompt. Set the size to 9:16 and the resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want, then hit Create. Go back to ChatGPT and do this for every text-to-image prompt you got. Copy each one, paste it into OpenArt, and click Create again. You'll get reference images like these: a dog on a green screen and a dog in front of a blue gradient. Download all the reference images, head back to ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs again. This time, search for a different GPT model called Animal X-ray Shorts and select it. Click Start Chat and type in what you want to see. For example, a dog eating a steak. You'll get 6 text-to-image prompts this time. Copy the first text-to-image prompt and go back to OpenArt. Paste the prompt in and upload the reference images you made earlier. Set the size to 9:16 and the resolution to 2K again, then click Create. Do this for every text-to-image prompt that ChatGPT gave you. You'll end up with images like these. Download all the images and go to the Video tab in OpenArt. Select Image to Video and choose the model Kling 2.6. Upload your reference image and type in what you want to see. For example, a dog eating a steak. Click Create. Once you've done this with all your images, you'll have videos like these. The only thing left to do is go to ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech tab. Paste in a script you've written with ChatGPT and click Generate Speech. Once you've got all your assets ready, drop everything into a video editing software and put it all together. And that's how you get a result like this.
What if you only fed your dog steak? Day 1, you skip the kibble. You put a steak on the plate. He doesn't hesitate. It's gone in seconds. Week 1, steak every day. You start noticing it. More energy, cleaner movement. He runs like he's lighter, faster.
You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.